Welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe to this channel for new updates. Weekends I give updates on how good movement is, when you should enter the market, when you shouldn't enter. So right now I want to show you a strategy that you can use to trade the financial market. So let's get into it. So the strategy we are going to use is break and retest strategy. So right now we are an SMC. It is an XMC strategy. Very simple strategy that you can implement on your trade, on your pairs, and make a lot of profit for yourself. So right now let's get into it. So assuming we have the market moving towards uptrend like this. Have you seen this break of structure? Let me do it like this. So right now let's take it. So first you go to the daily time frame to do what? To look for a break of structure in the daily time frame. You look for a break of structure in the daily time frame as this one. Have you seen how the market has broken this structure? So you look for this break of structure in the higher time frame, either downtrend or uptrend in the daily time frame. And after that, you do what? You map out the origin. You map out the origin that caused the break of structure. After you map out the origin that caused the break of structure, then you move down to the 4-hour time frame. Let's say this is the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. The daily time frame. The daily time frame. Okay, that's the daily time frame. Then you move down to the 4-hour time frame. So it will look something like this. Yes, the 4-hour. No, like this. To look something like this in the 4-hour time frame. So you mark the origin. The origin you mark in the one daily time frame. You will refine it. You will refine it in the 4-hour time frame, and still you go down to the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. I hope you understand this. This is a very good strategy. Trade good. So this is the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. So you move down to what? To the 1-hour time frame to refine what? You move down to the 4-hour time frame to refine what? Where you have done what? To refine it. Yeah, I hope you understand. So then you map out, you refine the origin that cause the break of structure. The reason why I want you to go to the daily time frame is for you to get the right place for what? For entry. If not that, you're gonna fail. So then right now this is the 1-hour time frame. This is the 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. So then now you go to the 15 minutes time frame. You go down to the 15 minutes time frame. You go down to the 15 minutes time frame. And you apply the same method here. So then you refine the origin that caused the break of structure. You refine it. So this is the 15 minutes time frame. This is the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. This is the best strategy I'm teaching you. You just try it. Especially try it on gold. This is the easiest strategy to trade gold. I'm not gonna lie. So what you anticipate is what? Relax for what? The price to get here. You see? So what? map the origin that caused the breakup structure, and wait for the price to do what? To tap into this zone. Form, I'm coming. Let me teach you some strategy. Let it tap into this zone like this. Let it form a structure like this. Tap into this zone. Have you seen that it has break let it break the previous low? Let it break the previous low, and what? And let it break the previous high. So, seeing this thing break the previous high, what will you do? Map out this thing. Map out here in the 50 minutes time frame. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, kindly drop your comment in the what? In the comment section for me to do what? For me to redo it. So, do what? Let it tap. No, so right now you set either a limit order, or the moment it gets here, you move down to the 5 minutes, then you take your trade. That will be a beautiful trade. I won't lie to you. So kindly subscribe to this channel, and I'll do a video on this in a downtrend mode. And if you don't understand anything, kindly drop your comment in the comment section. I'll do a video on that. Trust me. Peace out.